Test 1, 2. We're now recording. Here we go. Okay, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Red Button Journal. You might be wondering where we're going. Well, wonder no longer, because we're going to welcome to Chancery Hall. I have no idea. I've never been up here before. We're liable to get lost. Think we'll get lost?
No, we can't.
I got the GPS still turned on.
We can't.
Okay. So here we go. And hey, and I figured out why the camera wasn't started last time I did the drive. I just now figured it out. So we're good to go. Okay. Woo! Look at those pretty bushes up there. Man, oh man. I haven't seen any pretty houses yet. All I've seen is just road and wall.
What you just start?
Oh, exactly. Boy, you can sure see them from down below, though. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Back here.
Turn left.
People working in the yard.
This is for sale.
Oh, there you go. Somebody wants to buy something. Okay. Ooh, look at this road here.
In 200 meters, turn left onto Vanguard Avenue.
Away we go. Away, away, away we go. Where are we going? Nobody knows. Except my GPS lady. Except my GPS lady. Now, some people like it when I go fast. Some people like it when I go slow.
When you go slow,
when I go slow, I see more to talk about. Oh, look at that home. Yeah.
Turn left onto Vanguard Avenue.
That guy kind of acts like he's running taxi.
You mind them lick off your hand?
Huh?
You mind them lick off?
Oh, which way do I need to go here? I think I need to follow.
Because that's what I would say. They have, you have lanes, different lanes.
I have what?
Like different lanes are.
Yeah.
In 600 meters, turn right onto Chancery Hall Drive.
Okay, you heard it here first, people. In 600 meters.
Head northeast, then make a U-turn. Make a U-turn, then turn right onto Vanguard Avenue.
I'll make a U-turn. Yep, I'm making a U-turn, people. Oh, boy.
It's nice up there.
Okay, this says I'm supposed to go up right here.
So the road continue.
Woo! Yeah, seems so.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it sure
In
does.
600 meters, turn right onto Chancery Hall Drive.
Going out.
Man, look at that.
Up here is nice.
Ooh!
I like it up here.
You like it up here? Look at that view. Look at that view, people. And it's hazy today. That's one thing about these mountains around Kingston. There's some gorgeous views.
In 300 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Okay. And I'll be on my own after that. Wow, look at this home. Ooh, I like that. I definitely like that. Wow. Okay, now we're getting into some nice homes. Now we're getting into some beautiful places. Look at this.
We can go around, or it's
Yeah.
to a dead end.
I wonder if we turn left here, we go up by some more homes because it's dead end up there. That's dead end up there too. But I'm going to go down here and turn back, and then we'll turn back because it is dead end up here. And then we have to go back and do the next one, and the next one just up the mountain from what I was looking on the map.
That way, with that route coming from.
You have arrived.
Yeah, I'm not 100% sure. I need to do a done on that and then just look.
I wonder if that comes around there, if that road comes around or it's a dead end.
Let me see. We want to take this one at dead ends, and then we'll come back and we'll take that one, and that dead ends. They both dead end.
Oh.
Yeah, they both dead end. And then we'll have to go back the other way. And I was thinking about, going clear to the top of the mountain here. But since I've never been up here before, and my arm's getting tired. This camera is heavy. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Is that gorgeous or what?
It's big. It's a big one.
What? I'm going to do these on the way back on the other side.
So you're going to turn back? Oh, the road? Like
I'm not sure where it dead ends.
Yeah, it looks like it continues.
Yeah, it looks like it keeps going. Yeah, there's some more houses up here, or at least one.
But
This might be.
This one is big.
Ooh. Some of those I should show over there. It looks like this goes. Let's see, I think this is soon to be the end of it. Let's see here. Okay. Oh, this is not quite.
Huh.
Well, maybe it goes further than what I thought.
Oh, this one is big too.
Wow.
It looks like a castle or something.
Like some sort of castle?
Yeah.
But it's an older house.
Yeah, but it's nice. Oh, they really have some nice house here, man.
They really do. Wow. I'm going to hold this camera with my other hand. Sorry, people. My arm is really getting tired. I don't know why. The only exercise I get is going for walks and holding the camera. Maybe I have to hold it up like this. My arm can handle it better.
You want me to help you?
Huh?
Maybe you feel that I'm not gonna do it good,
No, you're not qualified.
Okay.
People, don't make a bad comment over that, please.
They're gonna.
Ooh, I'm not gonna drive down that road. I'm gonna go up this
These are
one.
nice.
That road is scary.
I like this color. It's nice. It's a kind of.
And then the trim, and then the trim that's on it, the trim color.
It's nice.
I think this road goes around in a loop now. I don't think
that's what I was saying.
It didn't on the GPS, but it looks like it does now. And then so I didn't video the houses on the other side. So at some point I'm going to go around and want to do the others, but maybe I should be doing them because when
it ends here.
Oh, okay.
It ends here.
Well, I did a lot of talking about like I knew what I was doing until I didn't know what I was doing. Huh? Yeah, it turns around right here. Yeah, some of these houses, just like when we took that wrong turn the other day. Or not a wrong turn, but we thought we were somewhere different than we were. And it's amazing how the houses look different when you're coming down the road from the other direction.
I like up here more than Smokyville.
I do too. Well, look, the roads are nice too. Yeah. I mean, they're not great roads.
Don't say nice word like they are. Yeah.
But for Jamaica, they're good.
Nice.
Oh, look at those. Look at the flora there. Look at the flora on that house right there. This is apartments. It looks like that's apartments. See all the light meters on the front? That looks like that's apartments. That house there, I wish I...
Well, we see a sign down the bottom there saying apartment for rent
and
land for sale.
Well...
So, wow. Look at the view.
Let's just look at the view. I do. I like this better than Smokyville.
Yeah.
People.
You are nearer
Well, back over there, that is Smokyville, isn't it? Or no?
I'm not sure.
Well, if I could...
I'm not even sure.
I can't really tell.
No, I don't think it's Smokyville. You know, Smokyville is over the other side of the mountain.
No. You think? Remember, I was telling you it was this way that we came up that time we got lost?
No. We didn't came so far.
So, people, we've been driving these roads before and getting lost. We just haven't. Oh, I love that veranda. I need to back up practically so I can see that veranda on that house up there. And if I get over here, I could see it. Yeah, see, look at that veranda. Is that neat or what? Woo! There's people up there. Heard me talking about them, maybe. Look at the view they have, too.
Look at, because of the whole situation of the land, how they have to be making like terrace.
I'm with you. I like this better. And the roads aren't so horrible. The roads are not so horrible.
I like
Yep, I do too, sweetie. Look at that house. Man, oh man, oh man. Wow. It's just gigantuous. I'm not going down that road. I'm scared.
go steep.
Look at the mangoes up in there.
And sweet sops.
Uh-huh. But we're not picking things today. We're not picking things today. I don't know why I'm saying that, but that's what I'm saying. Been a lot of debate about whether we can where and what we can pick and when and with whose permission and what's free to pick. But it seems like it's got to be out over the curb for you to be able to pick it. If it's behind the curb, even though it's before their fence or their gate or their wall, you can't pick it. Once it just got to be past the curb, because they actually own that land and maintain it. It's a public easement. Yes, sir.
Yeah, what's going on?
Okay. I think I'm going to go here. All right, I'm going to put on my glasses. And I'm going to look at the map. Okay. On my phone there. Let's see here. If we... Well, I think I'm going to take that road there, sweetie.
That road?
Yep. Mm-hmm. I mean, I could go back that way or take this one, but
So
it looks like that's a dead end, though, when you look up there. But according to this, it looks like it turns to the right. It turns to the right up here. Yeah, it turns to the right.
I can't really see it. They have better road here.
Yeah, that's definitely better roads. Oh, it goes to the left and the right.
Oh, good. Oh.
Okay. Now these are a little bit older homes here, some of them.
Okay.
Well, now I really wished I would have
Ah.
been looking at both sides back there, but I don't know where I've been
Oh,
and where
look
I
at
haven't.
this palm. I like it.
Oh.
It has a silver color.
Yeah. That is
I've
attractive.
never seen this kind of palm.
I've not either. That's a beautiful drive. How about over here? Landscape is not as great over there, but look at the home. So nice and
Look at
big.
that dog.
This one's really pretty.
That dog look like a fox.
Huh?
A dog that look like a
Was he
fox.
You could
No,
see?
he's not barking. He's just.
Oh, he's not a
looking.
barking dog. Well, that's
What kind of tree is this?
huh?
Because it must be of some use. Why they have that?
What, the soursop?
No, not so.
Oh, the next one.
There is a tree with some things on it.
Oh, I
some
didn't.
fruits on it.
Oh.
And if it
Okay,
was,
we'll just look back to the city here.
I like up here, and the road is not that.
No, the
hill,
road's
it's flat.
the road is
flat.
nice.
It's flat. Yeah, look at it. It's flat.
Yeah, I like it too. I was a little bit nervous at first for some reason. I just felt shaky driving here.
It
But
doesn't look like what you see when you are.
no, it's way different.
Because it look like
It's
it would be just hill, and but but it has good.
It's
road.
really nice up here. It's really nice.
Wow, this is nice.
I would recommend
it's
this
nicer than
area.
Smoky Vale. It's nicer than Smoky Vale.
I think so.
Mm.
I don't know that the houses are as big a mansions, but
So many
because
big
of the
houses.
roads,
So many big houses, you say?
well, I think some of those big ones are rentals though.
So what about Smoky Vale?
Let's see. Can I keep going here? Yep, I can. Yes, sir. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That's a steep road going there. Right there.
In somebody's house.
Somebody's got you could only get up there with a tractor right now. Wow.
Look.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's just phenomenal. Just phenomenal.
Look at this house here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, see, that's an older house, but so well maintained.
Yeah.
So well maintained. And see, they've got those big
And you can
fancy blocks up on their. Well, that's an interesting way to do your railing up on your roof, on your flat roof. They've got fancy blocks
look
everywhere.
at the gate.
Woo!
The gate is nice.
That's a fancy gate.
Alright, look, there's a house but it's inside. It's way up.
Way up, way up.
Yeah. There's a big house up there.
Wow.
Yeah,
Oh,
there's-
look at this. Look at this one over here to the right. Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at that.
And I mean, like this house, it could more stores
See,
because of the
see how they
split.
have the bricks? Or not the little veneer bricks?
Yeah, I see. Yeah.
See, that's what I was talking about doing on the back veranda in ours. And on the front veranda. Yeah.
This gate is an automatic gate too.
Mm-hmm.
See, there's a big house up there. It's like about 3-story. The road, there are plenty of roads.
You know, now the road's getting a little rough. I don't even know if it reaches up there. I don't even know if it reaches over there, or if that's a whole. No, now I know. This is the end of the line,
And
but it's got a porta potty right
so maybe you have the road that would carry up there. Maybe the road that on the other. Remember the road that would take to come here?
here. Well, you know though,
Hmm?
what if that is Smoky Vale there? You can't tell the backs of these houses.
I don't think Smoky.
You can't tell what they look like from the front.
I
by
mean,
looking at the
Smoky Vale don't come so near with this place because when you're over Smoky Vale, it's over the other side of the mountain. You have this place.
back. Okay.
So maybe.
Well, I could here. Let me look at this. To see, it shows I'm at a dead end. See the dead end it shows me at. Here, let me put this in here so that they can see this too. See, this is at a dead end, and right over there, that is Hydra Drive. That's Smokyville. That's Smokyville. See, there's Hydra Drive right there. And Hydra Drive goes up and catches Terrace and then goes to Aries.
Well, you know, it could be.
Yes,
because
yes.
that's the other side of the mountain. So
Yes.
When I'm over that side, this is the other side of the mountain. So you can see it's a different side of the mountain.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
See where
Yeah.
the foot of the mountain.
That's where the
Yeah, it's two part of mountain. This is a different part.
yeah. And then somewhere in there is what they call Hidden Valley.
That's
Oh.
where
But that's off
that's
of
where he said that we should go.
but that's Smoky Vale.
That's where he said we should
Yeah,
go.
we could go there now. But look how much higher we can go on here. Here. Look how much higher we can go.
So you're gonna go to Eden Valley today?
No, we'll do that another time.
Oh.
We can go a lot higher here.
Remember they had the road on to the left side? Let us take that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this is just one of many. We can take this next one, see? So we'll go back. Here, see, we're at this dead end right here. We'll go all the way back to here where we turned, took the road to the right. And then we'll take the one to the left and take it. And it'll go up and around. Oh, this is several trips to do all of this. So we'll see how much time we have when we get back to there. And then decide if it's... I mean, we could just keep videoing and then go and, show this over a 2-day period.
Yeah.
But by the time I edit
That
this...
you don't have to be coming out every day.
Well, no, then that would be nice. That'd be nice. I'd get some rest. I've been staying up half the night editing and trying to keep up with my self-imposed publish something every day at 2 o'clock schedule.
Yeah. The road is not
But
so
I mean,
bad.
it's really been good for the channel, and the viewers really have been like our
this
content.
is a big place.
Although-
this maybe too is like
Mm-hmm.
as like maybe guess
Oh yes.
It's a big- it's big.
Mm-hmm.
I like this gate. It's
I
so
like it.
pretty.
Yeah. But anyway, like I was saying, that I don't think this video is going to be maybe quite as enjoyable because we're not, cutting up and joking like we normally do, because we're in a more sober spirit than we are sometimes. But that's okay. We're real people. Sometimes we have days where we're just, on cloud nine. Hey.
This blue, I like it.
I like that color. There's certain colors of green that go with blue.
This blue look very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Although some colors that I like, I wouldn't want it still on my house.
The thing about filming the same place as we're driving back, things look different
Because on the other
when
side,
you're coming the other direction. These properties look totally different coming the other direction. There's those silver palms. I really like them, or gray palms, whatever they're called.
it looks more silk.
Somebody suggested that, they gave me several suggestions on this when I get this frog in my throat, from, probably from talking so much, what to do to clear it. And one thing they said is peroxide. I don't know if I need to gargle or what.
Must gargle.
Must.
Not to
I don't
drink,
think
it's
you
to
want to
gargle.
drink it.
Oh, that
It'd
must
foam up
gargle.
in your belly.
I would have to ask. It must be gargle.
All right, I think I'd go straight here, and I'm going to do it even if I'm not supposed to, because I want to see.
This
Oh, look
house
at that
sort of-
home! Look at that!
It's look like Marwa's house too.
My goodness
Yeah.
sakes! Look at it. If that's look at this one even. Oh, this one's just being built. Okay, viewers and
Viewer
squires
and subscriber.
and subscribers, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more from Red Button Journal. Big up and bless up.
Big up and bless up yourself.
Yeah, everyone.
Thank you for
Thanks for going
watching.
along for the ride. We love you, even though we don't act like it all the time.